Uy guys, meron tayong reporting project this week.
What? Na naman? What is it about?
I think it's about history.
Oh my gosh, I don't know where to start.
Dapat isa sa inyo ang mag-i-start sa research.
Ako na magsisimula with the research.
Ano bang timeline do we need to know?
I think history is a good topic.
Krishna, pwede kang mag-design? Since you're good at designing naman.
May kasama pa ako sa research. Can you tell Adlin to do it?
Ayoko na!